Want to create a stunning minimalist logo animation in Canva without using complicated software? In this video, I'll show you how to design a clean professional logo reveal in just a few minutes. Let's get started. Start by opening a new project in Canva and selecting a video with a landscape HD format. Next, upload the logo you want to animate. Now, decide how many parts of your logo you need to separate for animation. This could be individual letters, color sections, or any other elements that enhance the animation. Separate each part, just like I do in this video. To make your design look more professional, add a gradient background. Now, select the first part of your logo and apply an animation effect like this. Use the same animation for each part, but make sure to adjust the timing slightly, leaving a small gap between the first and last parts in the timeline. This will help create a smooth final result. Next, search for Glow Line in the Elements panel and add a white glow line to your project. Position the glow line on the left side of the logo, then apply a custom movement animation, dragging it from left to right. And that's it. Your logo animation is now ready. Download it in HD resolution and use it for your brand. Before you go, don't forget to hit the like button if you found this tutorial helpful. Also, subscribe for more Canva tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need more tutorials like this. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.